Welcome to Tutify. Today we are going to discuss a new topic which is very important from competitive point of view, that is impact of artificial intelligence in human lives. So first of all, let's have a look at the main points of the spotlight. The first one is the definition of AI or artificial intelligence. The second one is how AI came into existence. The third one is the uses of AI, and the last one, the conclusion. So let's start off with the definition of AI or artificial intelligence. So it is a wide-ranging branch of computer science that is associated with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So basically, it is a branch of computer science which deals with the machines which are capable of doing work which usually require human effort or IQ. In long term, they are more productive with minimum error. So as a whole, they are a good alternative for the work which usually require human intelligence or IQ. So coming to the second point, that is how AI came into existence. The field of AI research was founded at a workshop held on the campus of Dartmouth College during the summer of 1956. At that time, it was predicted that a machine as intelligent as a human being and were given millions of dollars to make the vision come true. John McCarthy, who is known as the founder of artificial intelligence, introduced the term. In 1974, computer flourished gradually with the time. The wave of computers started. With the time, it became faster, more affordable, and able to store more and more information. The best part, that they could think abstractly and able to self-recognize and achieved natural language processing. So it all started within the campus of Dartmouth College during the summer of 1956. John McCarthy, the father or founder of AI, coined the term artificial intelligence in 1955. Wave of computers started in 1974 as it flourished and prospered gradually. The best part, that they could think and able to process spoken words or human language. In 1980, AI research came up with an expansion of fonts and algorithmic tools. With deep learning techniques, the computer learned with the user experience. In 2000, after many failed attempts, the technology was successfully well established. In 2000, the landmark goals were achieved. At that time, AI flourished without any government funds and public interest. In 1980, AI research saw a boom in the funds and algorithmic tools. Algorithm is basically a specific procedure for solving a well-defined computer problem, and the deep learning technique is actually a subset of machine learning that deals with algorithms inspired by the structure and functions of the brain called artificial neural networks. And after many failed attempts in 2000 without any government funds and public interest, AI flourished and a landmark was accomplished. Now coming to our fourth point, that is uses of AI. The first one is gaming. Strategic games such as chess, etc., where machine can think of large number of possible positions. The second one is natural language processing. Interact with the computer that understand natural language spoken by humans. The third one, expert systems provide explanation and advice to the users. Fourth one, vision systems understand, interpret, and comprehend visual input on the computer. For example, doctors use it to diagnose the patient, or police use it to identify criminals with a stored portrait made by forensic artist. Fifth one, speech recognition, hearing and comprehending the language. The sixth one is handwriting recognition, recognize the shape of the letters and convert it into editable text. Now we will see the other areas where application of AI can be seen. The first one is social media networks, which utilizes AI to advertise more effectively to users. Social media sites also rely on AI to improve user experience. For example, Facebook uses machine learning to recognize users' face in photos and provide users with personalized content. AI also plays a role in digital assistant technology, web searches, and social media advertising, which are all major components of online shopping. Experts predict that the AI social media market will grow from 633 million US dollars to 2.1 billion US dollars in 2023. Most people use search engines multiple times every day. Search engines have existed since 1990s, but artificial intelligence has recently started to transform the web searching experience. AI can also help to personalize content, your shopping experience by gathering your information and third-party data. If an e-commerce store gives you a great product recommendation after your initial purchase, then it must be using AI technology. Now coming to the conclusion. AI allows the technology to search the web and find the most helpful answer. Your product recommendations, shopping experience, your music recommendation from music app, and your friend's suggestion in social media all may be influenced by artificial intelligence. Few experts believe that widespread application of AI will lead to another industrial revolution. Artificial intelligence has made a big impact on many aspects of our day-to-day work. As more and more advancements are made to the AI technology, it will become even more common in our daily life. At last, there is a question for all of you, that is, who introduced AI or artificial intelligence in India? Let us know your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Do like the video if it helped you and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel.